What's up guys? Welcome and welcome back to Mo and Mpym World. Asanteni sana for coming back to watch our content, and if you're new here, karibu sana nyumbani. My good name is Mo and we're coming to you live from the village. And guess tuko na nani? Hi mama. Leo niko in the
yes,
village.
Huh? The village girl. Today, I've welcomed Mo to my village. So welcome.
And imagine Kenya nanifanyia. I'm the one who's going to cook for her.
Imagine, yeah.
Today,
she will cook for us. Kukaribisha mgeni siku ya kwanza. But in the village, we do it the opposite way.
Anyway, we're going to be cooking Tumbukiza. So I hope you're ready to explore and have fun with us, because I'm not going back anytime soon. Hivyo kama kawaida kama ibada, let's proceed to the good part.
Yep.
Here are our ingredients for today. We have meat here.
1 kilogram.
Yes, 1 kilogram. Nimetoka kwa slaughter hivi. Beef. We have viazi, potatoes. Ni shamba ni potatoes too.
Potatoes.
We have spinach here.
50 kg, 50 shillings.
Tuko na hizi spinach, we got them at 20 bob.
20 bob.
And we have tomatoes, 3. Unaweza tumia nyingi ama vile kidogo unataka. Then we have onions,
2 onions.
Red bulb onions. Tunapenda kitunguu nyingi kwa nyama yetu. And then here is a piece of ginger. It will help soften and tenderize the meat hivi haraka. And then kafirifiri kwa umbali. Lazima. Alafu tuko na chumvi. So since ni tumbukiza, these are just enough. Hakuna kitu tutaongeza. So
and we're cooking it the traditional way. We not add spices.
Yeah, so
tuanze na kukata nyama. Kisu ndo hii. Here's the knife. And here's our sufuria. Hey.
Yeah, hapa ndo tunakata tukieka. Sasa wendo kamata.
Unajua unakata size gani?
Okay, hapa. Direct hapa sawa. Nakata makubwa.
Kisu. Our knife is so blunt. Chunga. Careful. You cut it into big chunks,
Yeah.
The Ugandan way.
Oops, excuse me.
What is it?
Big chunks, like this. The Ugandan way. Then you see these bones here. They're very good. Juicy corner bone marrow. They're going to give a very good taste.
Yeah.
This is the last one.
Yeah. Cut it into 2.
Yeah. The knife is not so bad. So this big. You see the way they are? Just big chunks. So
we'll put it into
our meat is ready.
Sufuria.
So we'll just put it here. Put in some water.
Wash it.
Just wash it before we start cooking.
And as she washes the meat, I will assist her.
Yeah, I'll be pouring the water in. Here the potatoes.
The meat. Cut the potatoes. My people, Today we are enjoying a delicious traditional African, what is it called? Tumbukiza. The Kenyan way. Do we cut the potatoes into pieces or just we use it as a whole?
I don't think we should, because they're not so big.
Yeah, so
They're not so big. We won't even cut them.
This is how we do it. The traditional way.
And our meat is ready for cooking. Tumbukiza is very good actually for all of us. And you can eat it with anything. Ugali,
chapati, mandazi,
peke yake. For
it's
breakfast,
a meal on its
actually,
own. Yes.
Especially with Saturday. So we have another knife.
So we are doing it together.
This is tangawizi.
Ginger.
This ginger to tenderize the meat so that it can cook faster. And since we don't have mortar and paste here, we'll just cut it into big pieces and then remove it later before we are. So we are cutting this ginger in very large pieces. We'll put it in the meat for tenderizing, and then we'll remove it when the meat is ready.
And there is onion here. We also want to slice it. And our tomatoes, so that it helps in giving the tumbukiza some flavor.
Yeah.
And we have 3 huge tomatoes. And our pilipili, we'll use it later. So now we want to cut the
onion
and the tomatoes.
We don't need to cut.
Do you want to cry?
Let me cry. I haven't cried in a long time.
Now let me cut the tomatoes.
But the good thing, we're just going to cut really big ones. So.
But as far as you have put it in the water, it reduces the cryness.
Yeah. You don't have to cry with this one.
I hope this is the correct way we cut it.
Just big ones.
Big chunks.
Big ones. Big chunks.
Big like this, eh?
Okay. Like the way I'm cutting the onions.
Oh, okay. The onions are also huge.
Yeah, big chunks. It's tumbukiza.
So tumbukiza.
And it's very good for our knees.
Wale watu wa hangovers, eh? Usiku kienda kukunywa, asubuhi naraukia hii. Naambia tu maze hapo. Mama, please do tumbukiza for me.
See the size of the onions? And let me tell you, this thing slaps. You're not ready for it.
You're not ready. Hey guys.
This will be the last ones. We'll just wash them and remove the stock. So what hatutazikata. Let me get some water.
Oh, we have done. Here are the tomatoes.
So now we are preparing the spinach. You could add to the stock. You can cut them into 2 pieces if you want. But sasa hii moja iko too sour, so Adam is getting ready.
Yeah, we want to go and light the fire. The village way.
Yeah. Easy peasy. Then you just wash them.
Ensure that there is no dust in between.
Yeah. You just wash them and move on. You remember the way you used to wash the kawurura? We are getting ready to light the fire. Let's see who the real village guy is.
Welcome to our village, eh? This is the village life. Now you have to do what the villagers do.
You just been showing off. Let's see.
I know. You can't beat me, so you have to join me.
Oh, this side. What this side?
This one, we'll use this one.
Give me those things that you have.
Let's these ones first. I don't want to teach you. I know you can do this. On your own.
You don't joke with me like that. Like honestly, not kidding. I'm really kidding. I love this thing. So let's see if this is going to work. Oh,
Like magic.
actually it does. So we just get dried banana leaves
Yeah.
instead of
Pepper.
newspapers, nylon papers. So that's what I do, by the way. I get nylon papers.
Nylon papers. Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes cartons. Yeah, that's what I do.
Welcome to our village. We do it differently here.
At least I learned something new. I take away.
Yeah. You have to do it faster before
this, eh?
yeah.
And then you get bigger.
Women who break firewood using their knees.
You don't joke with us.
Hey, don't joke with them. They can break your heart too.
Don't joke with us. And you
I think you can place the sufuria now.
Yeah. So here, our meat with ginger pieces inside. We'll get some water. Some water. Water kidogo. So some water.
Hey,
Not a lot.
African gas. Eh?
Yeah. Just look at the flames. Looks like it's hot. The favorite one.
Bring a cooking stick. And some lid. Do you have a sufuria lid here? Hey, you can see our meat is boiling. And our fire is firing. Hey, hey. I'm waiting for the real cook to come and show us what next. Because I'm just here joyriding on her menu today. Yes, this Tumbukiza, the African way, traditional way of Tumbukiza. And I know it's going to be sweet. Any dish, any meal cooked in the village always tastes better. Natural sweetness.
This is what we are using, guys, to cover our meat. Another sufuria. We don't have a lid big enough. So just like in 15 minutes we'll be back to angalia sababu whatever we are using here. This is like a super oven, guys.
Yeah.
Like this
The heat here is more than 360 degrees.
Yeah, you can tell them that it's very, very, very hot. So this cooks very fast on a normal fire. Maybe if you use a pressure cooker, that's when you can use 10 to 15 minutes. But on normal fire, maybe even 40 minutes, depending on how hard the meat is. I don't know whether it's how hard or how mature the cow was. But for now, wacha tuongeze moto. Let's check how far we've gone. Woo! We don't even need to test this. This meat is ready. Iko karibu kuiva kabisa. So what we are going to do, we will go in with our potatoes. Tuweke potatoes zetu.
We didn't add some salt also.
Yeah, we'll add some salt at this point so that the potatoes cook inside with salt. So that the salt penetrates inside our potatoes. So there we go. We do some salt. Here's our salt. We are going to eyeball until your ancestors say it's okay to stop. I think that's enough. And then koroga. So since it's Tumbukiza, at this point we'll just go in with everything. Tumbukiza, just like the name.
Just Tumbukiza.
Except what? The spinach.
The spinach should add it later.
The onions. Tumbukiza.
Will the soup be enough?
We'll check. If it's not enough, we'll add some later. And then we'll give this like 5 minutes. Since this fire
is hotter than the one in hell.
Deal.
No.
You people need to get saved.
Hey.
If this is the fire that we're going to face. So,
imagine.
yeah, just we said 2.
Nafaa kutubu jamani.
Kama hujatubu tubu. I'm saying so 5 minutes for the potatoes to be ready, then we'll be ready to serve. So see you then, guys.
See you in 5 minutes time.
Yeah. So guys,
after 5 minutes, 5 minutes later.
Yep. Let's first see if our potatoes are ready. They're not yet. So, but they're almost there. So we do like 2 more minutes. But before then, acha tukoroge kidogo and check whether the salt is okay. Perfect. So 2 more minutes and then we'll come to check. We don't want them to, what do we call?
Overcook.
Yeah, so that's why we don't want to take so much time. The potatoes are ready. You can use a fork. If you don't have, you can use a knife. Unaona zimeiva. We don't want them to start breaking down. So this is the point.
Sivurujike.
Yes, we put our spinach. Ukitaka kukata unakata, but there's no need. This is actually the last final bit. Then we'll just give it like a minute
But we have our periphery. Tear gas.
Lazima. Lazima tuweke. But then I didn't know that pilipili really helps with tummy issues. That's why all the street foods, most of them. Napata mtura, pilipili, mayai boiro,
Periphery.
everything, yes. You
Guys,
see that?
pilipili is what is called pepper. Pepper.
Pepper, kafirifiri. Pepper. Yep. And we have the traditional ones here.
Or the
You guys
chilies,
see
the
that?
red chilies.
We didn't even need a minute. And do not let your potatoes overcook. Do you see that?
Yeah.
You see that? Tumbukiza, the African traditional way. And then, yes. Kombali. Kombali.
Oh my God, I'm salivating.
This is about ready. In 30 seconds, tutakuwa tunatoa. So, I hope your taste buds are ready and your ugali is ready.
Ours is here. We have our water boiling. We want to cook ugali here. Very soon, our ugali will be ready. We have 2 burners, you can see. We have 2 burners. Our tumbukiza there and our ugali almost.
Yeah, you're not
our water is on. We have 2 burners, yeah. Okay, let's wait for a minute, then we'll be back.
Okay. Our food is ready, guys. Let's take it out of the fire so that it doesn't overcook. Do you see that? I mean, let's show them up. That's where they can see it well. Like here, where there's enough light.
Yeah.
See that?
Here's our tumbukiza, guys.
My legs are Sunday. You need this, guys. You really
Wale
need
watu wa form wale. Kitoka kwa form asubuhi yake, you remember.
Yeah.
You need a tumbukiza.
Easy peasy.
To be hydrated, since alcohol inaitwa dehydrates,
Yeah, true. You need to hydrate.
Yeah, you need to hydrate, and this one can help.
So let's
Look at that. Let's wait for the ugali, then we serve. So we have a cook for our ugali.
African ugali.
And it's being cooked by a man, because they can do this cooking better.
Not romantic.
So this is how we cook our ugali here in the village. Is it made from cassava or just maize?
Made it from cassava.
From cassava. Now we have cassava ugali.
Oh, we make cassava ugali.
Imagine.
That's great.
So that's how it's being cooked, Yes. That's how brown cassava ugali is made, You see that kamata thing there? You step on it, It will help the sufuria not to fall. That's how you turn it. Iko sawa? Anajua kupika ugali. Na iko brown. So it's brown ugali. You know, the other time I tried cooking this, hey, I swore I'll never try it ever again. It's like gum, inajivuta, guys. What? That's why this time round I asked for a man's help, and look how it has turned out, So here's our tumbukiza ready to be served, And our ugali, can you see it? Our cassava ugali. So let's serve in this.
Naona? Sasa tuwasavie. Tuweke soup pia. Maana hiki kijiko yetu. Tuweke soup. Tulisema ukitaka hata kula na chapo ni yako, lakini sisi tuko na
Ugali.
Ya nini?
Kasava, muhogo.
Tumepikiwa.
Kule kwa tunaita ugali ya bada.
Inaitwa hivyo?
Sima ya bada.
Na iko wapi ile tiagas?
Tiagas iko hapa ingine. Na kuna yenye ilichemshwa nayo hapa.
Yes, eh?
Then you bring
ilikuwa nyingi.
It was too much.
And the soup.
I garnish it with the spinach.
Yeah.
And then the
Here.
here. Guys, I'm salivating. Where's the spoon, huh? Can't wait.
I feel like it is me. Kidogo wapi?
Hey, so our tumbukiza is here and we'll serve it with
Brown
ugali.
Brown ugali?
It's not brown, it's just cassava ugali, but it has turned out brown. And you see how it looks like? It's like gum. This one, when you eat it, it will serve you for 2 days.
How do you mean?
No eating for 2 days, eh? So we want to have a taste of our tumbukiza. Where's the spoon?